how we do it, baby. Yeah, baby, that's how we do it. What's up, YouTube? It's Goonies here at a secret location. Can't really say much, but I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna be doing a little quick demo night. A little something. I'm gonna show you guys so you guys can see what we're working on. I gotta keep the camera going. Again, that's a little secret location, you guys. I can't really disclose right now, but you guys know Goonies. You guys know how I do it, so. This is what we're going to be firing off tonight. That's the middle that you just saw right now with all the racks. And then we got some more stuff here, so you guys can take a look. Like I said, it's just a little small. Check that out. Shit, pyro candy. Let me get in there so you guys can see that. What? This is just basically going to be a little small, VIP status, exclusive demo. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. I know I'm going to. Got some Chronic, new window stuff, zombie driver. Speed racer, things like that. Look at that big ass kit, you guys. Hot fire. You got some swamp gator right there. Massive neon's always a classic. All right, let's take a trip over here. And then there's three parts to this. You guys saw that section right there. Then you saw the middle where the shells are going to be, and on the other side, which I'll walk over there right now, is going to be the exact same setup on the second part. It's going to be basically like a two-way, you guys will see in the video, but let me just show you guys a quick little section. See, we're working on the E-match right there. You guys can see that, all the good stuff there. So it's the same thing. Basically, it's going to be a one of each side, a cake on each side, and then you got the shells in the middle. And then of course on a little extra note, you guys know how Goonies does it. I'm going to be doing these individually, privately. You guys stay tuned. Look forward to those. Look at that right there. What the hell? You guys know I love Red Rhino, Obsession, Texas Hold'em, Angry Pandas. You guys seen that already. Aquarius, I'm sorry. Curfew Breaker. I've been looking to light this bad boy up. Look at that shit, you guys. Oh yeah. And then of course that Double or Nothing. The cake that won. The You Pick It, I'll Light It. That's going to be lit off, you guys, so look forward to that one. Cooking with Gas, Hearts of Fire. I'll go one by one on all these ones. Mark of Greatness, Super Bad, Stolen Christmas, Odd Shaped Cake, but it'll be fun to laugh. Of course, Sexy Rider's a classic. What we got down there? To the Extreme, so you guys can zoom in there. And 37 shots, another zombie driver I'll be doing by itself. Never Surrender. Let's see here. Addicted to Loud. Let me zoom in there, you guys. Window, of course, can't go wrong. And then, of course, Big Brother by Dragon Fireworks. Alright, I'll be doing these individually. You guys look forward to those. Alright, again, a little secret location I can't disclose. This is give you guys basically get your lips wet for what's to come in the near future. Alright, you guys stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? It's Goonies here. I'm about to start the show off. Let's give you guys a little quick picture of what we're working with here. Alright, got her set up out there. You guys can't see it right now, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's just a little quick something to get you guys' lips wet, for what's in store for Red Apple. Can't disclose where we're at. All I can say is, we're out in the middle of nowhere. I think they call this place Area 51. Not sure, but you guys tell me what you guys think. Alright, YouTube. Enjoy this, you guys. A little private something for you guys. You guys like this. Brought to you guys by you guys know who. You guys know who I roll with. Come on. Oh, yeah. Start off with a little bit of Ninjas of the Night, you guys. Look at that. Oh, shit.
Just a little taste, you guys. Just a little taste of what's to come. That's all. Damn. See, if I didn't know any better, you guys, I'd mistaken that for a UFO. Seeing as we're out in Area 51. Haha. Nice. Big ass brakes, you guys. Oh, nice crackle there. Hell yeah. Shit, hell yeah. Hell yeah, let's roll with this. You guys, red apple lighting up the sky. That's how red apple does it. This is nothing, you guys. It's just a sample. It's a little taste of what's coming. Hell yeah! That's how it's done, baby. Shoo! Damn! Hell yeah, here we go. There you go, you guys. Enjoy this shit. Enjoy it.
Did it go out?
Yeah. Little mishap, that shit happens. Hell yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hell yeah! That was nothing, you guys. Just a little taste of what's to come. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys know how to do it. Comment, rate, subscribe, like. Shout out to Red Apple Fireworks for a little something on the side. You guys know how it is. But again, look forward to what's really coming for you guys. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. More shit to come, you guys. Look for more videos, more giveaways, all coming up. Enjoy. Goonies out.